So now I'm going to not say anything. You're just going to watch me, and I'm going to either do this or this, and I'm going to change, and you change with me.
Okay.
Okay? And you can stand up if you want. Are you ready? So whatever I'm showing you, you show me that energy, okay? Are you ready? Okay, and I'm going to get started. Oh my gosh, did you slip? And you keep, are you okay? Okay, you keep your shoe came off. Oh, let's do this. And we can fix your shoe in our low energy, right? You want to fix your shoe?
It already is.
Oh, okay, ready?
I fixed it.
This is big energy. Are you running out of big energy? All right. Oh, wow, so good. Isn't it cool to like feel how your body changes from one to the other? And to notice that like in yourself? Yeah, I think that's so
But the
cool.
low energy is kind of hard for me.
The low energy was harder for you than the big energy? Because you really wanted to get big again? Yeah, but you kind of know that about yourself, don't you? Well, you know what? I think that you did a great job with that. Thank you so much for playing that with me.
What did you hope to accomplish with this little boy, and were you successful? Were you and he successful, I should say?
I would say so for sure. I feel like, with a concept like that, it's a big concept,
Yeah.
for a child to understand. So you have to start in like pieces and really through play and through things that the child can understand and relate to. And I think that worked out really well.